The Brettschneider Fund, which I endowed along with my family, is for exchanges of students, staff, and faculty between Oxford University and Cornell University. Why did I set up the fund all those years ago? Cornell gave me the opportunity to come to Oxford, and I wanted other people to have the experience that I had.
Students and staff can use the Brettschneider Fund in a variety of ways. It seems incredibly open, so they can use it to go study for a short period of time, or they can use it to go study for a slightly longer period of time. Staff can use it to do research at Cornell, and they can also use it to work on collaborations with faculty who are there at Cornell.
So I feel like I got very fortunate to have a very balanced and well-rounded PhD. I got to experience both the American approach to computer science as well as the British approach to computer science, which I think very few people will be able to say.
Why Cornell? Well, as I attended Cornell, as did my brother, it completely changed my life, and I'm hoping it changes the lives of others.
It's a fabulous university and a wonderful place to study and to do research. But also, it formed me into the kind of political theorist I am today.
I think there are times in the lives of colleges where it's important to pay tribute to those who generously support us. And I would like to do that now to Michael Borkan, whose great generosity funds this programme. But it's not just Michael. Michael has collaborated with David Porfman, the bursar here, and with Mark Curtis, our development director. And together they've collaborated to bring this programme to life so that it can benefit our young academics by taking them to Cornell, exposing them to an academic life in a different university on a different continent.
As someone that wishes to pursue a research career at an international stage, it helped me realize what kind of things I should be pursuing, what kinds of things would be better recognized across different institutions, and how to become a better researcher overall.